Hi, my name is Kelsey, and this is my cousin, Chanel. We were both born munchkins. I'm unfortunately the short one, and the tall one, and she's the tall one. And this is the mentally challenged one. He's mentally challenged. Okay, I want to sit on her lap. She's very, very sad about the puppy. It's because I like to poop. He's very shy about using his voice because he's very insecure about it. So just go because he was also born a munchkin like we were. Yes, he is. I am a very bad munchkin. Why are you a bad munchkin? Alright, well let's tell a little bit about us. Hi. Hey, I didn't get to say hi. Hi. I'm 7 1/4. I'm 4'11 1/4. I'm 3 quarters and 1/4. I'm 5 foot. How you doing, baby? Both y'all. What do you mean? Brady's 5'7 1/4. Well, she's 5'7 1/4. Go get the charger. I don't want to go get the charger. Sorry. Do you want it to die? Sorry. Here's the copy. Alright, well, we're gonna go, but... No, I don't want to go. I don't want to go. Comment. We will make plenty more kinky comment. Please send money because I'm special.